Did you know the Chevy Bel Air was named after an upscale Los Angeles suburb? Yes, indeed, the car that's become a symbol of American automobile history, the Chevy Bel Air, draws its name from the glamorous Bel Air neighborhood of Los Angeles. This iconic car first graced the roads in the early 1950s, a time when America was embracing a new era of prosperity and optimism. With its sleek design and powerful engine, the Chevy Bel Air soon became a favorite among car enthusiasts and the general public alike. It was more than just a car. It was a statement, a symbol of the American dream. Its popularity soared, and before long, the Chevy Bel Air had etched its mark as a true American classic. Now that you know a little bit about the intriguing history of this legendary car and how it got its name, let's delve into the features that make this car a true American classic. The Chevy Bel Air doors, they are not just entry points, they are an entry into a different era. The doors of the Chevy Bel Air, an exquisite blend of style and function. They are more than just a means to enter and exit the vehicle, they are a statement of design, a testament to an era of innovation. These doors, they exude an elegance that harkens back to the golden age of American automobile manufacturing. Let's delve into the unique design and structure of these doors. The Chevy Bel Air doors are a perfect example of how aesthetics and functionality can coexist harmoniously. Crafted with precision, they offer an easy and smooth operation, making every entry and exit an experience in itself. The curve, the sweep, and the line of the door all contribute to the car's overall streamlined look, while the door handles and locks add an element of vintage charm. The doors are not just about design though, they also contribute significantly to the car's overall functionality. They are sturdy, providing an added layer of safety and security for the passengers. The doors fit snugly into the frame, ensuring a quiet and comfortable ride, free from the noise and distractions of the outside world. But there's more. The doors of the Chevy Bel Air are designed to make a statement. They speak of a time when cars were more than just a means of transport. They were a symbol of status, a reflection of one's style and taste. The doors, with their sleek design and flawless operation, are a nod to this bygone era. They are, in essence, a gateway to the classic American automobile experience. In the grand scheme of things, the doors of the Chevy Bel Air might seem like a small detail, but, as we've seen, they play a significant role in shaping the car's identity and user experience. They represent the attention to detail and the spirit of innovation that has always been at the heart of American automobile design. The doors of the Chevy Bel Air, a gateway to the classic American automobile experience. The wheels of the Chevy Bel Air, a testament to the car's durability and performance. Now let's take a close look at these wheels. They are not just ordinary wheels, they are a marvel of engineering and design. The wheels of the Chevy Bel Air are an integral part of its charm and character, contributing significantly to the car's overall performance and driving experience. Designed for both style and function, these wheels are crafted from high-quality materials that ensure their durability and longevity. They have been meticulously designed to not only support the weight of the car, but also to handle the power of the engine and the demands of the road. The wheels are wrapped in high-performance tires that provide excellent traction and control, making every drive in the Chevy Bel Air a smooth and enjoyable experience. They grip the road firmly, providing the driver with confidence in all types of weather conditions. Whether you're cruising down a highway or navigating through city streets, these wheels offer stability and precision, ensuring a drive that's as comfortable as it is thrilling. But it's not just about performance. The wheels of the Chevy Bel Air also make quite a statement in terms of style. Their classic design, featuring a polished chrome finish and intricate detailing, is a nod to the car's rich history and timeless appeal. They complement the car's sleek lines and elegant curves, adding a touch of sophistication that's hard to ignore. Moreover, the wheels have been engineered to reduce noise and vibration, contributing to the car's overall comfort. They absorb shock effectively, making every ride in the Chevy Bel Air a smooth and comfortable journey. In essence, the wheels of the Chevy Bel Air are more than just a component. They are a testament to the car's commitment to quality, performance, and style. They beautifully encapsulate the spirit of the Chevy Bel Air, a car that's all about delivering a driving experience that's as enjoyable as it is memorable. The wheels of the Chevy Bel Air, a perfect blend of style and performance. The exhausts and picture box of the Chevy Bel Air, a demonstration of the car's power and style. Let's dive into the intricacies of these features. The exhausts of the Chevy Bel Air are a testament to the car's raw power and engineering prowess. They're not merely tubes for expelling waste gases, no, they're finely tuned instruments that contribute to the car's impressive performance. These exhausts, with their sleek design and polished finish, are a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. They roar with a deep, satisfying rumble, a sound that car enthusiasts know and love. It's the sound of a potent engine, a sound that announces the presence of the Chevy Bel Air long before it comes into view. Now, let's turn our attention to the picture box, an iconic feature of the Chevy Bel Air. Unlike modern digital screens, the picture box of the Chevy Bel Air is a charmingly retro analog gauge cluster. This isn't just a nod to the past, but a functional and stylish element of the car's interior design. The dials, switches and gauges are all clearly marked and easy to read, allowing the driver to keep track of essential vehicle information at a glance. The picture box is a reflection of the car's overall design philosophy, a harmonious blend of old-school charm and modern-day functionality. The exhausts and the picture box are more than just parts of a car. They're the heart and soul of the Chevy Bel Air, contributing to its performance, style, and enduring appeal. They serve as reminders that this car isn't just a machine, but a piece of automotive history, a testament to a time when cars were as much about style as they were about speed. So when you're behind the wheel of a Chevy Bel Air, remember to appreciate these features. Listen to the sound of the exhausts, watch the dials in the picture box, and feel the power and style that this classic car embodies. The exhaust and picture box of the Chevy Bel Air, a powerful and stylish feature of this classic car. The colors of the Chevy Bel Air, a vibrant display of the car's personality. The Chevy Bel Air, a timeless piece of American automotive history, is renowned for its distinctive features and designs. But one aspect that sets it apart from others is the wide array of color options it offers. The colors of the Chevy Bel Air are not just about aesthetics, they are an integral part of its identity, reflecting its character and charm. Let's start with the classic onyx black. This color adds a touch of sophistication and elegance, making the Chevy Bel Air a standout on the road. The black paint job is like a black tie, adding a level of formality and class to the car's overall look. Next up, we have the gypsy red and shoreline beige, two-toned color schemes. This duo provides a stark contrast, creating a visually striking appearance. The gypsy red is fiery, bold, and energetic, while the shoreline beige is calm and refined. When combined, they create a perfect harmony that is sure to catch the eye. Another popular color is the India ivory and regal turquoise combo. This pairing is reminiscent of the sea and sand, evoking feelings of summer and freedom. The turquoise gives the car a lively and youthful look, while the ivory adds a touch of elegance and sophistication. Then we have the matador red, a vibrant and energetic color that exudes confidence and charisma. The matador red is a testament to the car's powerful performance and bold personality. Lastly, the tropical turquoise and India ivory, a color combination that is soothing to the eye. This pair is like a breath of fresh air, giving the car a relaxed and peaceful look. These color options not only enhance the car's aesthetic appeal, but also allow owners to express their personal style. The colors of the Chevy Bel Air are more than just a paint job. They are a testament to the car's versatility, timeless appeal, and the freedom to be oneself. The colors of the Chevy Bel Air, a splash of vibrancy on this classic American beauty. The Chevy Bel Air, a car that truly represents the golden era of American automobiles. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We started our journey with the intriguing mystery of the Chevy Bel Air, a car that is a testament to the manifold craftsmanship of yesteryears. We then moved on to explore the sturdy doors that encapsulate the car's interior, providing safety and style in equal measures. We also discussed the wheels, the grounding force of this classic beauty, providing the necessary grip and balance for a smooth ride. The exhausts and the picture box, integral to the car's performance and aesthetic, came next. Not to forget the vibrant colors that lend the Chevy Bel Air its unique charm and eye-catching appeal. Each aspect, each feature of the Chevy Bel Air contributes to its iconic status. It's not just a car, it's a piece of American history. The Chevy Bel Air, a classic American car that continues to captivate car enthusiasts around the world.